Hey everyone, welcome back. We've got some exciting news for drone enthusiasts. A brand new leak just confirmed that the DJI Mavic 4 Pro is getting closer to launch. A fresh image from DJI's production line, shared by reliable leaker Jasper Ellens, shows multiple Mavic 4 Pro units lined up for what looks like final quality checks. Sitting right next to them is the RC2 controller, adding more fuel to the speculation that this highly anticipated drone is almost ready. The leaked photo, though in black and white, clearly reveals at least 5 Mavic 4 Pro drones on a workbench, surrounded by specialized testing equipment. While some parts of the image are intentionally blurred out, one thing stands out: the Mavic 4 Pro's unmistakable design. From its streamlined arms to the signature bulb-shaped camera housing, everything about it screams next-generation technology. And of course, there's the triple camera setup, which is expected to bring some serious imaging upgrades. The Mavic 4 Pro is expected to feature a triple camera system, with a 4/3 CMOS primary sensor that includes electronic ND filters. This means better control over exposure and more flexibility for professional filmmakers. Alongside the main sensor, the drone will support 1x, 2.5x, and 6x zoom levels, offering versatility for capturing detailed shots from a distance. Another big addition is vertical video support, which is great news for content creators who shoot for social media platforms. Beyond the camera system, DJI has made some significant improvements in aerodynamics, leading to more efficient flight performance. The drone is also equipped with low-noise propellers, which should make for a quieter flying experience, perfect for those capturing nature shots or working in environments where sound matters. But perhaps the most impressive upgrade is the 99.5 Wh battery, which is expected to deliver a staggering 52 minutes of flight time. If this holds true, it would be a major improvement over previous Mavic models and one of the longest flight times in the consumer drone market. While the leaked image shows the RC2 controller sitting next to the Mavic 4 Pro units, it seems like the drone is actually designed to work with the RC Pro 2 controller. This new controller is rumored to feature a foldable screen design and will run on DJI's latest OcuSync 4 Plus system. That means better range, lower latency, and an overall smoother connection between the drone and the controller. One important thing to note: the Mavic 4 Pro will not be compatible with older DJI controllers or batteries. If you're planning to upgrade, you'll need to invest in the latest ecosystem of accessories. This might be a downside for those who already own DJI equipment, but it also suggests that the new controller will bring significant improvements in performance and usability. In terms of weight, the Mavic 4 Pro is expected to come in at 1.04 kilograms, 2.3 pounds. This puts it in a category where it may face regulatory restrictions in some regions, particularly in the EU, where drones above certain weight limits require additional licensing or registration. However, with rumored RTK positioning and top-tier imaging capabilities, this drone is clearly aimed at both creative professionals and commercial pilots who need precision and high-quality footage. Thanks for watching.